What is the aim of this activity? What is the aim of this activity? To observe the production of carbon dioxide, production of carbon dioxide during the respiration in plants. During respiration in plants. Okay. Next, materials required. Materials are required for this activity. Okay, observe here glass transparent bottle, glass transparent bottle, next we need cork. Next we need a small bottle or beaker. Next lime water. Next germinated seeds. Ungerminated seeds or unsprouted seeds. Unsprouted seeds. These are important requirements required for this activity. Now, let us study about procedure of this activity. Okay, observe carefully. What is the aim of this activity? To observe the production of carbon dioxide during the respiration process in plants. Next, materials required for this activity. Different types of materials. For example, glass transparent bottle containing the 200 ml capacity. Next, a small beaker. Okay, injection bottle size beaker. Next, lime water. Next, germinated seeds and non-sprouted or unsprouted seeds, and cork. Okay, to fit in mouth of the glass bottle. Understanding? These are important materials required. Now procedure. Okay, let us observe procedure. How to take seeds of bajra or mung. Mung means green ground. Okay, how to take bajra or mung seeds? Then you have to soak them in water. You have to soak them in water for overnight. For overnight. How to soak them in water for overnight. After night, you have to collect the all soaked seeds. Soaked seeds, and you have to place the all soaked seeds in cloth pouch. In a cloth pouch. Okay, here these are just seeds. Here seeds in water. Seeds in water. After night means after overnight you have to collect these soaked seeds and you have to place them in a cloth pouch. Okay, that is wet one. Wet cloth pouch. Next you have to tie the cloth pouch tightly with thread. Okay. Next, then you have to keep this set up for this is for the overnight. Here also you have to keep it for overnight. Okay, after overnight, in early morning you have to collect all seeds from the cloth pouch. When you collect the seeds, you can observe germinated what? Means germinated seeds are present. These are germinated seeds. These are germinated seeds or sprouts. Okay, observe carefully. Now you have to take a transparent bottle containing the 200 ml capacity. 200 ml capacity. Next, you have to place the all sprouted seeds or germinated seeds in this bottle. Like this, sprout. Now you have to take a small beaker, injection bottle size beaker. Then you have to fill the beaker. You have to fill the beaker with lime water. 3/4 of the portion of beaker. Okay, like this. You have to fill with lime water. Like this. 3/4 portion of the beaker. Okay, that 3/4 portion has to be filled with lime water. Okay, then you have to insert the small beaker containing the lime water in this glass transparent bottle. Okay. Observe. Lime water. Then how to close the mouth of the glass transparent bottle by using the rubber cork. By using the rubber cork or thermocol cork or any other cork. Okay, understanding, observe carefully. This is the first setup. This is the first setup. Next, you have to take another glass transparent bottle containing the 200 ml capacity. Like this, you have to take another bottle like this. Next, you have to place the unsprouted seeds in this bottle. What? Unsprouted seeds. And you have to arrange the beaker containing the lime water in this bottle. Okay. Like this, these are unsprouted seed. Okay. Now this is the lime water. This is lime water. Next, you have to close the mouth of the bottle by using the cork. Like this. This is a setup 2. This is setup 2. Observe, this is first one, this is second one. Now after preparing like this two types of setup, you have to keep these two setups for 2 to 3 days. For 2 days like this. As it is, you have to keep them aside. Okay. After 2 days, you have to observe the lime water, color of the lime water. If you observe the color of the lime water present in the first beaker and second beaker, first beaker or first bottle and second bottle, you will find out actually what? Milky white color. Milky white color. In first bottle, you can observe lime water or milky white color precipitate in this beaker. Okay, means after 2 days, lime water becomes milky white color. What is the reason here? But in second beaker, lime water does not change into the milky white color. Here only change. Here, lime water does not change into the other form, other color. What is the reason for these two? What is the reason here? We placed germinated seeds. Here we placed unsprouted seeds. Unsprouted seeds. Observe carefully. Here sprouts are germinated seeds. They can perform the respiration process to live, to exist, to grow. They perform the respiration. But unsprouted seeds, they do not perform the respiration because they are dried seeds here. They are not germinated. Before germination, they do not need oxygen or any other metabolic activity. After germination process, germinated seeds perform different types of life processes. Here we place unsprouted seeds, that is why they do not perform the respiration process. Next, due to the respiration process, here, listen carefully here, these germinated seeds absorb the oxygen from the bottle and they release the carbon dioxide as the waste gas. They release the carbon dioxide as a waste gas. Now, this released carbon dioxide, unfortunately, or released carbon dioxide accidentally, it is reacted with the lime water. Lime water, calcium hydroxide plus carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is reacted with the calcium hydroxide. Then what will happen? Usually calcium carbonate plus water, these two are formed. These two are formed here. What is the reason for this? Here, due to the presence of the calcium carbonate, this entire solution or entire mixture is turned into milky white color. Milky white color. Are you understanding? Observe carefully. But in second condition, unsprouted seeds. Observe carefully. What? Unsprouted seeds. They are not germinated. Because respiration process due to the absence of respiration, carbon dioxide gas is not released from the unsprouted seed. Next, lime water does not react with any gas. In such condition, lime water remains as it is without any change. Understanding? Means germinated seeds perform the respiration. Here, unsprouted seeds are ungerminated seeds. Okay, non-germinated seeds, they cannot perform the respiration. Here, plants also perform the respiration process. To prove plants also perform the respiration process, we have to conduct this activity. Understanding? Observe. Okay, next. Let us do our activity. Let us do another activity. Here, what is the aim of this activity? What is the aim of this activity? To observe the production of heat during the respiration in plants. This is the aim of this activity. Now let us observe materials required for this activity. Materials are required. Here also glass transparent bottle, transparent bottle, germinated seeds, germinated seeds, unsprouted seeds, thermometer, cork. These are important materials required for this activity. Now, let us study about procedure. Okay. First, in this activity, you have to collect the germinated seeds. Germinated seeds of bajra or moong, like in last activity. By using the procedure used in last activity, you have to collect the germinated seeds and unsprouted seeds and unsprouted seeds. Of the bajra or moong. Next, then you have to take a glass transparent bottle containing 200 ml capacity. Now you have to place the germinated seeds in this bottle. Germinated seeds in this bottle like this. Already you placed it in last activity. Okay, like this you have to place sprouted seed or germinated seed. Then you have to take a cork, rubber cork or thermocol cork or any other cork. Then you have to form a small hole in this cork. Why means to insert the thermometer into the bottle containing 200 ml capacity. Like this, you have to form a small hole. Then you have to place the cork, or you have to fix the cork to mouth of the bottle. Next, then you have to insert. Listen carefully. Important activity. You have to insert the thermometer into the bottle. Through small hole formed in cork. Here important precaution is tip of the thermometer or knob of the thermometer or node of the thermometer should be, listen carefully here, should be inserted into the germinated seed. This knob should be in germinated seed. Understanding? Not above. Okay, you do not place or do not arrange the thermometer above the seed. You should insert the thermometer into the germinated seed. Okay, important precaution, remember. Okay, observe this is the thermometer. Next, this is a setup one. Now, you have to take another bottle. How to take another bottle. Next, now you have to place unsprouted seeds in this bottle, not germinated or sprouted seeds. You have to place unsprouted seeds in this second bottle containing the 200 ml capacity. Then you have to split the, or you have to form a small hole in cork. Then you have to fix the cork to mouth of the transparent glass bottle. Okay, like this. Then you have to insert the thermometer into the bottle through small formed hole. These are unsprouted seeds actually. These are unsprouted seeds. These This is the setup 2. Now you have to keep the 2 setups aside for 2 days. Okay, 2 to 3 days. Then during the time you can observe here changes in levels of the mercury. Means now you have to take the reading in every 2 hours. Listen carefully. For every 2 hours you have to take the readings in thermometer. Okay, while you are taking the readings, you can find increase in the temperature as time is increased. Listen carefully. Along with the time, here temperature is also increased in this bottle. Usually in first setup you can observe the change in the temperature. Understanding? Because we placed here sprouted seeds. They perform the respiration process. Because of respiration, heat is produced. Here. That produced heat is measured by inserted thermometer. That is why during the time, as time increases, along with the time, temperature is also increased. We can observe increased levels in thermometer, increased levels of mercury in thermometer. But in second setup or second bottle, we cannot observe that type of changes because we placed here ungerminated seeds. They cannot perform respiration process. That is why they do not produce the heat. That is why here changes in the levels of mercury in the thermometer. Those changes do not occur in this bottle. As time increases, here production of the heat is also increased. We can after this activity we can draw a graph. For example, the graph here time, here this is the time, here changes in the heat or changes in temperature. Understanding? Like this, different. Understanding? Example, here first 2 hours, next 2 hours, next 2 hours, next 2 hours, next 2 hours. Here temperature 10, 20 or 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 means in centigrade, degree centigrade. Like this, you have to draw this type of a graph by using your data or your information. Understanding is important on here. Important activity. In this activity, now we have observed that sprouted seeds can perform respiration and heat is produced because in thermometer we can find out increased levels of the mercury. Okay, this is the important activity to prove the production of heat during the respiration in plants. Next, differences between the photosynthesis versus respiration. Photosynthesis versus respiration. Here, photosynthesis means this is anabolic process. This is anabolic process. This is the catabolic process. Photosynthesis process occurs in chloroplast. It is occurred in mitochondria. Mitochondria, cytoplasm. Next, in photosynthesis process, here photosynthesis process takes place in green plants. And some photosynthetic bacteria. Photosynthetic bacteria. Here, in all living organisms, raw materials of the photosynthesis are raw materials, carbon dioxide, important one. Next to water. Okay, next here, raw materials are organic substances, organic compound, like glucose, Next, end products are here. Glucose is the end product plus oxygen. Here, end products are energy plus respiration, carbon dioxide. These are important ones. In addition to carbon dioxide, water is also produced here. Next, when we observe the equation for photosynthesis, C6 has here carbon dioxide plus CO2, sunlight, chlorophyll, next C6H12O6 plus O2 plus energy plus H2O. Okay, here carbohydrate, one type of carbohydrate, usually for example CH2O. N. Next here equation is okay. Here respect CH means one organic compound, glucose or any other, plus water. Here oxygen is also involved, gives rise to, in respiration process, carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. Here energy is not here, sorry. Okay, this is photosynthesis. Energy is used here. Okay, here energy. Next, here light is involved. What? Light is involved in this process. Here, this process is light independent one. Independent process. What is respiration process? Photosynthesis has these type of important ones. Here these. Observe carefully. In photosynthesis, simple substances are grouped and form the complex substances. Here energy is involved in this process. Energy is involved. Here what will happen? Complex substances are broken down into the simple substances. Energy is released in this process. Are you understanding? Observe carefully. Here energy is used, here energy is released. Are you understanding? Observe carefully. This is important. Next, there are some factors for the respiration and photosynthesis. Humidity, light intensity, concentration of carbon dioxide, concentration of chlorophyll, pH, pH range. Okay, these are some important factors for the respiration and photosynthesis processes. Okay, yes.